Hello everybody, my name is Craig Bennett and I'm the founder and owner of TechFuseNope, and today we're doing another Android coding class. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to code in a button to take the end user to a website of your choice. Now, one thing to keep in mind is some websites, they will actually open up other applications. So if you use, say, like a Google Maps website, and you already put a longitude, latitude, all that stuff in. I've done this in past applications, and what will happen is if the user has Google Maps already installed on their Android device, then it'll just open up Google Maps and direct them to wherever it is. But if they don't, it will actually open up the default browser, and then it will just go and direct them to wherever you want. So that's a huge thing to keep in mind is if you want that, then great. If you don't want that, then this might not be a guide for you. So anyways, let's jump into some personal advertisements so you will know how to better support the techfuseNote.com channel. And then let's jump into this quick guide. Thank you for sticking around during this quick transition. Now, if you want to help me out, then there's several quick ways. You can easily leave a like, subscribe, and share to this video and my other videos if it helps you out, of course. And if it doesn't help you out, then feel free to leave a dislike, but also tell me why so I can fix it in other videos. But as far as things goes, if you want to help out even further, then you can check out my other videos by clicking the top button. This will take you directly to my channel. And if you are mobile, then the links will be in the description for everything that I'm talking about. And if you want to help me financially wise, as far as getting better equipment or being able to actually hire a staff, then feel free to check out the left button, which is the PayPal, and the right, which is the Patreon campaign. The PayPal is simply a PayPal donation, and the right is simply a Patreon campaign. But without further ado, let's jump right back into the actual video, which you came here to see. Welcome back. Now, first things first, you do need to obviously have the button, and it does need to have an ID. Just keep in mind the ID. And you could identify the button somewhere like I normally do, which I'm probably do later on. Or you can just identify it right above the on click. So we're going to just do that. Button S equals button find view by ID or dot ID dot the button's ID, and then we need to set the on click listener. So s dot set on click listener new view dot on click listener, and let's do the public void. I'm not really sure why that thing didn't automatically come up, but it's no big deal. V open bracket curly brackets, and this is where you're going to put in the code for the thing. So since I want to link to my site, I'm just going to do a basic one. So it's string, and we're just creating a string just for this instance. So when this button is clicked, it creates a string, and then it executes on that string. So string, and just try to make sure that's it's a string. I don't know, I equals Going to just copy and paste my website in there, so we're just going to deal with that in a second. Let's close that out, and then in fact, let's actually move this up a bit. And below here, let's actually do the intents. Browser intent equals new intent dot action view comma URI dot phrase I. Let's close that out. We'll fix it in a second. Start activity, browse intent. So I just cleaned it up a little bit. So basically, just going through it step by step. Basically, this first line, we're identifying what this part is, so what S is. And this says identify it with that button on the layout. So whenever, and this basically says whenever that button is clicked, do the following. So it creates a new string. It makes a string I, which is the name of the string. And it says it's this. So you need to make sure that this is not an actual useful string. And I mean, like if you go, say for example, if I got like, I don't know, 5 buttons on a single page, and all of them link to a website, I can name them all I, and it'll be fine because it just tells it what to name the string or what to put in a string. I normally don't do that, but you can. But basically this tells it to put that in there. So if you got something useful in that string, like if it's already made and it's useful, then yeah, you're going to run some problems. So make sure that it's not a used string. Anyways, I have it going to my website here. And below that, we have on click when the thing's actually clicked, because you can program it to when the thing's not clicked versus clicked. And basically from here, it says the intent says browser, so it knows that you want to do something with the browser. And then it goes for action view. I'm not going to get into this, but then it goes into the start activity browser intent, which is this. So basically it defines what but basically this area defines what this code, this word will do. And when you do a start activity and put it inside the thing and put this word in there, then it starts this. So anyways, that's pretty much a simple way of doing it. I think I do have my emulator up and running this time, and since we're just dealing with a browser, I should be fine. So let's build it, and I'll be right back. So just real quick, and in the past video I showed how to fix the buttons. I just didn't really do it. I don't have time. But in a previous video I did the contact us, but as you see here, there's no mailing application. So for this one, we did the to the website, and there you go. It's open up to the techfusionhub.com website. So in case you need a quick look at the code again, here it is. And in case you need a quick look at it working, here it is. So it's, you know, it's obvious working. But anyways, this has been Craig Bennett, founder and owner of TechFuse Help. And if you need any help on this or anything else as far as Android related or dealing with technology, please leave a comment below and I'll try to get back to you as quickly as possible. And also, if you have any tips or tricks to add to this, then feel free to leave that below, and that way it helps everybody out. But if this has helped you out, and if you liked it, please leave a like, please subscribe, and please share. If you didn't like it, then please leave a dislike, but also tell me why you're disliking it so I can fix it in future videos. But again, this has been Craig Bennett, the founder and owner of TechFuse Help, and please visit the TechFuse Help website and Patreon campaign. And I hope you have a great day.